Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can delete an app on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now there are several ways of deleting the apps, so let's take a look at the easiest way. First, we're going to swipe across and go into the app library. In here, go down the list and look for the app that you want to remove. So here I have several games app that I don't play. So I'm going to touch and hold on this Monopoly app. So touch and hold on that. Then from the pop-up, you want to tap on Delete app. And then tap on Delete. So that is one of the way how you can delete an app. Now if there is an app shortcut on the home screen, you can also touch and hold on that icon. Then from here, you tap on Remove app. Then here, you have the option to delete app or remove from home screen. Now by remove from the home screen, the app is still available in your app list. So you want to tap on delete app to permanently remove it. Now another way is to go into settings. So here I'm going to swipe across and go into settings. In my settings screen, we scroll down and tap on General, then tap on iPhone storage. In here, it will show you a list of all the apps you have installed on the device. And then tap on the app itself. Then at the bottom here, tap on Delete app. And then tap on Delete app. So those are the three ways that you can delete apps on your iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.